Alright, I've got the charger here. So that's not this video again. I started it on the phone, but I didn't like the feel of it. I didn't like seeing myself on the phone. Yeah. So yeah, here we are again. And I was saying, if I don't break anything, I've opened the gates. So I got a bunch of news updates and a bunch of stuff that's going on right now. First of all, something I'm very passionate about and I want to share is that I managed to have the N8N public IP working, because man, for the last 2 days I've been trying to struggle and get the Telegram webhook working. It wasn't working, okay, because apparently my IP was private, so the API of Telegram could not reach it, and it is because I'm self-hosting N8N. I'm not doing it on the regular cloud of N8N, so that's something. But I spent the last day, like yesterday, not this day, typing stuff and doing. I was fucking mental, because since last time, last video I talked about how like I wasn't giving up on stuff, and I liked that, and I like that fact that at the end I still managed to get the result I wanted, and I felt very accomplished and fulfilled. And all thanks to me not giving up, because I could have given up a lot of times, and yesterday as well I didn't give up though, and maybe I should have, because like the next day I found the solution a little bit more easily. So yeah, what's going on? So yesterday, first of all, I made the video and I forgot to mention something, and I'm gonna mention it today. It wasn't yesterday, 2 days ago. I'll upload the video today though, because it's on my phone. I was like, I'm forgetting about something, and that something was that I was accepted to the uni. Okay, as you may or may not know, I did the test and I only made half of it, because I 10 minutes from the end I realized the pages were front and back, and I only did the front, so I did like half of the points. I still managed to pass somehow, like after a few weeks. I got accepted, because I don't know, maybe some people went away, and yeah, I was accepted. And today I went. Okay, so the news for today, is I went to uni. It was pretty chill. I mean, it's pretty similar, it's like going to school, but a little bit more free, kind of do whatever the fuck you want. But yeah, it's not much of a different thing. And yeah, but other than that, I came back, I went to the bachelor. I also managed to get some samples, to give some samples to a guy I knew. Again, because I was at uni, I could get the fuck out if I wanted to, and so I got out and I gave the samples to this guy. Went back, bought some meat, which I will have to process now, because I have to slice it, and tomorrow we'll go to uni again from 9 to, I don't know, like 16, 18, like 6 p.m. So yeah, that's the news. I'm like subscribed to the university. Subscribed what? Like I'm in the uni, okay? So, and how do I feel about that? I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't fucking know. I don't know if I'll keep going. I mean, I have to go like now, but I don't know if if I'll keep pursuing university on the long run. I'm not sure. I have to check. I still have to evaluate that, I guess. So yeah, that's something. Other than that, I was very happy today, because I bought a domain. That's another thing. I bought a domain finally, because yesterday I was so fed up with the bullshit of tunnels, and they were temporary, they were not fixed, so I had to change it up every time on Docker, and it seemed like the solution was to get a domain. So I bought a domain, which by the way is the same domain I will use for my website for the beef jerky stuff. So it's like snakecarne.et. Not .com, .it, because for now I'm in Italy. And I tried, so I bought that. I was like, okay, I did all the procedures, and I was troubleshooting with AI. So I kept going for hours and hours, and stress and typing and going back and forward, CMD, PowerShell, IP address, command, Docker run, Docker PS, like so many fucking command lines and stuff I didn't understand fully. All of that later, and I still didn't manage to get the Telegram node working. I did manage to get it working yesterday, but I didn't realize. I also made a video. I was very happy about it, but the problem was that those the solution I got working was temporary, because as soon as the temporary Cloudflare tunnel stopped, I was again alone and isolated from the web. So I got a domain. I tried doing a bunch of stuff with Cloudflare, setting up some records for like a ton. Like I could not fucking do it. Okay, I tried everything. I did that, and then I realized I had to change the server names and so much stuff, man. Which I think I shouldn't even had done at the end of the day. Like if I go look back, it probably wasn't required, because today I found another solution on YouTube. God bless YouTube, man. Like I should watch YouTube more for tutorials like this. It seemed to me like a so niche problem, which I thought it would not be found on YouTube, but it actually was a pretty common, I guess, issue. I should have thought about that earlier. So I watched this video. It made me go through the proper process to create a fucking tunnel for my IP, and instead of doing some crazy fucking record adding bullshit, there was a proper page with a fucking tunnel, and yeah, it is working now. Nice, I guess. I can go on a website, and it will redirect me to my local host, basically, but on a public way, so I can basically access it on my phone. It's very fun. And yeah, the Telegram trigger is working. Almost leaked there. The Telegram trigger is working, and it's stable. I can keep this fucking workflow on, and as long as my PC is on, it should in theory work all fine. Today I also understood better how the Google Cloud API projects work. It was so hard to understand, and when you don't have someone to teach you, you're like all by yourself, it's such a like a pain in the ass to learn like all those crazy dashboards. How do they work? Like now I understood that a project is just like a place where you store all of your credentials and APIs, and you can refer to the same project, and you can just add the APIs to that project, and yeah, so I can like have a single credential for all of it anytime, you know, for all of my Google services at least. I didn't explain shit, by the way, but yeah, that's something fun. And so I got the original workflow working. I got the Telegram. I send a picture to Telegram. It updates the database, and it's very fucking cool, man. I see many possibilities there, even like automatically indexing the ingredients and all of that shit. I'm very happy about that. I also tried installing Grease. I've not used that yet because I fear there is going to be a little bit too much of a lag issue, because I'm running on my PC, and I don't know if my PC, I don't know if like compared to the cloud service of Google Sheets, it's worth to moving to like a local greased, I guess, application. Yeah, but you know, greased seems more adequate to what I'm trying to do, at least for some things. For other things, not really, but for most things, I think it is. Yeah, I guess that's that. And what else? I mean, I don't know. I've never used Grease, so I don't know if I can do the same batch stuff I'm doing on. Maybe I can. I should just. The problem with Sheets is that if I create a new file, because it's getting too cluttered and is taking up too much data, I fear that if I make another file, another sheet, and put my new batches, it's just gonna be a pain in the ass to reconnect all of the references, because they are like within a sheet. I would have to use import range, and I have to change the IP, the address. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I think I can still do. It's not a too big of an issue, but I don't know, man. I wanted to try Grease also for other things. It's probably not needed though. To be honest, I probably can do everything on Sheet. Yeah. I got the printer, I got everything, and I wanted to make this video because I was a bit I was pretty preoccupied, very busy, and I want to make a video to show off what I'm doing, and now I will have to go in the kitchen and clean everything up, take the slicer, bring it to the kitchen and start slicing the meat I bought today, together with the chicken and the pork. I will store it, save it, and tomorrow hopefully I will be able to use it. Only problem is that tomorrow I don't have the schedule but I think tomorrow I'm all day there, which is not ideal honestly, but yeah, from the morning to the evening, and now it's 10 p.m. and I have to slice meat. I don't know, man. I don't feel like the uni and beef jerky thing is gonna work together. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Especially because I also should study. Okay, now that I'm into uni, but I don't think I can. I would love to get back into the Obsidian stuff. I really want to. These last few days I wasn't really getting into it because I was busy learning this all other language on N8N and managing the batches for the beef jerky. But I think now I can get back to it. I'm very far behind on the flashcards, but I really want to integrate the flashcard system with uni. I think it's gonna be very useful. Again, the only problem is gonna be that I'm gonna learn the stuff in Italian, and my whole vault was in English. So I guess that's kind of a, can't do anything about it. I was working before the beef jerky stuff on some solutions about like translating everything automatically with some Python script. And honestly, now that I have this N8N workflow ability, I guess I can really make some shit up with that thing I was thinking about, like directly with AI integrated. So yeah, possibilities open up. I really wanted to learn this stuff on N8N and get everything set up correctly, like the fucking domain shit, because this way I can properly work on it without any restraint. I can call proper webhooks and shit. And this is like, now it is all set up. I spent 2 days, and I want to tell you something. Like my fingers today, actually this night, I woke up this night. I was very thirsty, so I drank some water. But I was feeling my fingers, and they were in such a pain. Like they were so swollen. I don't know what happened. I mean, I probably know what happened. So the day before, when I was trying to troubleshoot the N8N stuff to get it properly set up and working, I was tapping all day. So I probably, one of my most intense AI reliances day. Like I completely relied on AI to troubleshoot all of that stuff, and I really drained the fucking servers of OpenAI that day. I don't know if that's the most AI intensive day, but it surely fits itself in one of the most intense use. What? It's probably one of the times I most used AI. If not the day I used it the most. I don't know, but yeah, my fingers were hurting. I typed a lot, and now they're kind of fine now, only if I push them very hard. But yeah, tonight I woke up and my fingers were swollen. This morning they were kind of better, but still I could not like open a bottle cap because it was painful. Like the top of my fingernail was hurting. Like very fucking strange. It never happened to me, especially since I got on a carnivore diet. I rarely get these weird, like, fucking random pains. I used to get them, like, or maybe it's just placebo. Maybe I'm just confusing myself. I also didn't get them before. I want to be completely factual, I guess. But I feel like I'm not really getting them. And having these a symptom, in general, a general symptom felt very strange. And it went away with time. But yeah, very interesting. I really typed a lot that day, man. A lot. And just to say that, yeah, I spent an entire, I guess, evening, because it wasn't the full day, trying to troubleshoot. It felt like a day, honestly. My memory from yesterday are just literally coding. Actually, yeah, probably from the morning to the evening, I tried coding and setting this bullshit up. Yeah, it probably was like that. Maybe I think I only did. See, I cannot even remember what I did yesterday. But maybe I think it was just the evening, because like I should have done something else, but I decided to do this. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe it was just preoccupied with uni the next day. So today, I don't know, man. Anyway, I'm happy I set it up, and I'm sure I will use this somehow in the future, just for like personal bullshit. I think I'm really happy I got this set up, because man. And it's properly set up. In theory, there should not be too many hassles here. It should be working smoothly, I hope at least. in that case, man, fucking yeah, man, that's great. Very excited for that. I'm gonna absolutely, get deeper into this AI stuff and AI agents. Also, yeah, I think I'm gonna use this, man. Very happy about it. Very happy about it. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I have to go in the other room, clean the kitchen, and then start using my bad boy slicer, which is comfortably sitting in my room at this moment in time. Fuck, I'm recording with super view. Fuck. It's probably, yeah, not the best. Sorry about that. Should not be a problem. See you next time. Bye.